Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then welcome to my channel. It's Moon Alam, and I have recently changed my channel name. It's Your Sunshine Girl, and we all are Sunshine Girl, right? So I have changed my channel named as Your Sunshine Girl. Okay, so in my today's video I will tell you how to do skincare in summer. We all know that it's pretty hot summer nowadays and the sun is extremely hot, so why not I should share my summer skincare video with all of you guys, as I have to go out regularly in this summer. So how I take care of my skin, how I take care of myself, how I take care of my body, all will be in this video. Okay, so let's start the video. For taking care of my skin, first of all I need to remove my makeup, which I don't want to remove because I'm looking so cute and I want to be like this forever. But what should I do? I have to remove it. I mean, I'll remove my makeup off camera and then I will show you how I take care of my face in this summer. For removing my makeup, why I need to remove my makeup? Why I can't be like this? So, oh, okay. I just said that I will do this off camera and I'm still talking in front of camera. Okay, sorry. So I'm doing this in front of camera, okay? Here for starting my skincare video, I need to remove my makeup first, which I'm wearing on. And for removing my makeup, I will use just Vaseline. I have this giant Vaseline with me. I don't use micellar water or any other artificial things. I prefer using Vaseline or oil. I use olive oil for removing my makeup, sometimes almond oil for removing my makeup. And today I'm just using this Vaseline for removing my makeup. And then after removing it, I will start other part of the video or other skincare. So for that, oh, it's broken down. Okay, I'm taking a bit with my finger. It's like this. I'll use this on my face so softly for removing the makeups I'm wearing on. It's not a very heavy makeup, so it's easy to remove it by using Vaseline. I'm looking pretty cute like this, no? Here I'm just using a bead and taking on my hand so that my Vaseline doesn't become black. I just love the way how I became so horrible from looking a cute girl. And now for removing this, I'm using tissue paper. Like I have them off. Well, see, I have removed my makeup. The face wash hanging. I'm going to get this. This is the face wash I'm going to use. It's Mamaearth aloe vera face wash. As I have dry skin, so I prefer to use aloe vera based thing. This face wash is just aloe vera and turmeric based, so it's one of the best face wash I have been using, like almost its end. For using this face wash, I need to first wet my face. And for that I'm using a water spray bottle to wet my face, and here it goes. I need to wet my hand also, and I have wetted my hand. Now I'm taking my face wash. Any kind of harsh on my face. It's very soothing. It makes my face like so smooth. Okay, I'm just going to wash my face and then come back to you. So I have washed my face off camera. You can see it's looking very gentle right now. Now I will take a bowl of water and dip my face into it, as it's a very important segment, by the way. I can't open my eyes without rubbing off the water in front of my eyes. I think I should do once more. So yeah, let's do it again. It's also effective before makeup. I mean, when you do party makeup or heavy makeup, if you dip your face into this ice water, then it will minimize the open pores and the makeup sits into your face very smoothly and effectively. Try to do this once a week after 2 or 3 days. It's very effective, trust me guys. And we can see that many celebrities do this also. Now I will use a face mask using besan and honey, and for that I have taken almost 2 tablespoons of besan, and now I will mix honey on it. Using some of it. Okay, I have used almost like 1 spoon of honey, I guess, and there is a I can eat whatever I apply on my face. So yeah, let's mix it. Let's start applying it all over my face. It's kind of a scrub. Okay, I have washed my face, and after using a scrub, face becomes so dry. I'm using aloe vera for smoothing my face again. What I'll do now, I will wash my face again, and I'm coming back. Wow, just look at my face. It's feeling like so bright, so smooth, and I'm wearing nothing, exactly nothing, and I'm feeling like, wow, this is the best skin of mine. Okay, here I'm done with cleansing my face, scrubbing my face. Let's start moisturizing my face. For moisturizing my face, I'm using this Nivea soft cream. This is one of my daily use. I use this daily before going outside, and it's so light-weighted. It's not so creamy in texture. I'm just taking a little bit. See, it's so light-weighted. And now I will use sunscreen because it's the most important part of the skincare, and for that I'm using Neutrogena sunscreen. You have seen these a lot of time in my videos, and don't forget to use it using the 2 fingers theory. This much. I think I should add 1 more finger. 3 fingers. Dab, 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 and dab. Don't forget to use it on your neck part. Don't forget to wipe out the excess in your eyebrows. It doesn't look good. So I'm wiping out my eyebrows and making it neat and clean. So for my eyebrows, as it's not looking good right now, this eyebrow pencil I have. For lips, I'm using this lip balm. I have been using this a lot of time in my other videos. So a bit of my nose. Okay. This is the skincare I follow. Okay, so that's all for today. In my today's video, I saw you guys my skincare routine, but in my next video, I'll show you how I take care of myself wholly, my true summer self-care routine, and I will include my hair care, my body care, and also other things. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. It will be a help for me. And if you don't like my video, I mean, no, why? You like my video, right? You should like my video. So yeah, give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel, and that's it for today. Bye.